guys, welcome to AKA our 80s life, where we're all about the 80s. Back in the 80s, I used the heck out of banana clips. So I was so excited to find out that they are back. They're available in stores. I got these at Walmart. And so today I'm gonna show you how I used to use these in the 80s. I haven't done it since then. We'll see if I remember. But I had a little styling trick I wanna share with you. So I don't know if this is how all the 80s girls did it, but this is what I remember doing. I would section my hair, part it down the middle like this, how you normally do, and then you're gonna curl each side. I would use just a standard size curling iron. And what I did in the 80s, and like I said, I haven't tried this since the 80s, so we'll see how it comes out, but I would just curl each section towards the front. So do your part how you normally would do. Get your standard curling iron, take some pretty big chunks, and just curl the hair forwards, turning the curling iron towards the front. So it's gonna look a little like Shirley Temple when you get done. But just go ahead and do this all the way around. It only takes, maybe 3 or 4 sections on each side, so you should be able to do this pretty quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up and finish curling, and then we will put in the banana clip. Okay, I'm done curling, and you can see it looks kind of silly right now. You could just put your fingers through it, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna leave it how it is and get our banana clip, unhook the top of the banana clip. It's gonna feel like you broke it, but you didn't. It slides right in there. I haven't done this in probably about at least 30 years, probably longer. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Okay, so you wanna grab your hair like you're gonna do a ponytail. Like you're gonna do a low ponytail. And because we curled it, it's gonna look extra cute. All right, now take the V-shaped part of the banana clip, put it down at the nape of your neck, and then bring it up to the top. Make sure all the hair's in there, and clip. There we go, that's literally it. Instant ponytail. And it's not gonna be a tight ponytail, it's kind of a looser ponytail, and then you can fluff the curls like that.